If you've ever lost a lead because you forgot to follow up, couldn't remember where a customer came from, or spent ages searching through emails trying to find somebody's details, then you don't have a lead generation problem. You have an organization problem. As your business grows, keeping track of customers becomes almost impossible unless you have a proper system in place. That's exactly where a CRM comes in. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what a CRM is, why every business should have one, and how to build a simple CRM from scratch. We'll also connect it to everything we've already built throughout this series so you can see how all the pieces work together. Let's get started. Before we build anything, let's answer one simple question. What exactly is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. That might sound technical, but the idea is actually very simple. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet for every person who interacts with your business. Instead of keeping names in your phone, spreadsheets on your computer, emails in your inbox, and appointment notes somewhere else, everything is stored in one central location. Every lead, every customer, every conversation, every appointment, every email, every note, everything stays together. That means whenever somebody contacts you, you immediately know who they are, how they found you, what they've downloaded, whether they've booked an appointment, and where they currently are in your sales process. Without a CRM, you're relying on memory. With a CRM, your business remembers everything for you. Now let's connect this to what we've already built in this series. We started by creating a sales funnel. Then we built a landing page where visitors could submit their information. Next, we created an email marketing system so every new lead automatically receives helpful emails. In the previous lesson, we connected everything together using marketing automation. Now here's the question. Once somebody fills in that form and enters your automation, where do they actually go? The answer is your CRM. Your CRM becomes the home for every lead your business generates. Instead of disappearing into your inbox, every contact is automatically stored, organized, and ready for you to manage. Let's build one. Inside GoHighLevel, open the contact section. This is where every person who interacts with your business will appear. Whenever somebody completes your landing page form, their details are automatically added here. You'll see information like their name, email address, phone number, when they were created, and where they came from. Already, that's far more useful than a spreadsheet because everything updates automatically. As your business grows, this list could contain hundreds or even thousands of contacts. That's why organization becomes so important. One of the easiest ways to organize your contacts is by using tags. Think of tags as labels. Instead of treating everyone the same, you can instantly identify different groups of people. For example, somebody who downloaded your lead magnet could receive a tag called funnel lead. Someone who books an appointment might receive appointment booked. When they become a customer, you could add another tag called customer. If they purchase a premium service, maybe they receive a VIP client tag. Now, instead of searching through hundreds of contacts individually, you can instantly filter exactly who you're looking for. Tags become even more powerful because your automations can apply them automatically. Remember the workflow we built in the last lesson? As soon as someone submitted the form, we automatically added a tag. That means every new lead enters our CRM already organized without us having to do anything manually. This is where your marketing system really starts working together. Another useful feature you'll find inside a CRM is smart lists. Think of smart lists as saved filters. Instead of searching every time, you can create lists that automatically display people matching certain conditions. For example, you could have a list showing only new leads from the last 7 days, another showing only customers, another showing people who've booked appointments, another showing people who haven't been contacted yet. Every time someone meets those conditions, they'll automatically appear in the correct list. Again, no manual work required. Now let's look at one of the most important parts of a CRM, your sales pipeline. A lot of beginners confuse a CRM with a pipeline, but they actually do different jobs. Your CRM stores your contacts. Your pipeline shows where each contact is in your sales process. For example, somebody might start as a new lead. After you've spoken with them, you move them to contacted. If they book a consultation, they move into appointment booked. After sending a proposal, they move into proposal sent. And finally, when they purchase, they become a customer. Instead of wondering where everyone is, you can see your entire business at a glance. As deals move forward, you simply move the contact into the next stage. Many of these movements can even happen automatically using workflows, which makes your CRM even more powerful. Let's open one individual contact. This is where you'll see the complete history of your relationship with that person. You'll be able to see every email they've received, every note you've added, every appointment they've booked, every tag they've been assigned, every workflow they've entered, every interaction with your business. Imagine somebody contacts you 6 months after downloading your free guide. Instead of asking them lots of questions to work out who they are, you simply open their profile and immediately see everything that's happened. That saves time, improves customer service, and helps you build much stronger relationships. This is one of the biggest reasons businesses invest in CRM systems. They don't just store contacts, they store context. Every customer has a story, and your CRM remembers it. Now let's step back and look at everything we've built throughout this series. We started by understanding how a sales funnel works. Then we built a landing page to collect leads. After that, we created an email marketing system. Next, we automated the entire process so every lead received the same professional experience automatically. And today, we've created somewhere for all those leads to live. Now, every person who enters our business is captured, organized, followed up, and managed inside one connected system. Notice how each lesson builds on the last one. Individually, each tool is useful. Together, they become a complete marketing system that can help you generate leads, nurture relationships, and grow your business far more efficiently. But we're still missing one important piece. What happens when somebody actually wants to speak with you? How do they book a call? How do you avoid double bookings? How do automatic reminders get sent? That's exactly what we'll build in the next lesson when we create your appointment booking system. If you'd like to follow along using the same software I'm demonstrating throughout this series, I've included a free GoHighLevel trial in the description below. And when you sign up using my link, you'll also get access to my 12K GoHighLevel success system, including my complete 10-day GoHighLevel implementation course, free high converting funnel templates, AI content mastery, the 24-hour ranking system VIP, and the opportunity to apply for my funnel launch partnership. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for the next lesson, and I'll see you in the appointment booking tutorial.